Welcome to My Dad Can Do That, and today my dad is going to show us how to replace the Auger motor in the Traeger Select Pro.
Let's go! Start with emptying out your hopper. A shop vac works great to clear out all of the leftover pellets. Pull the 4 screws from inside the hopper and then remove the 2 screws on each side of the hopper, and then the large bolts at the top of each side. Then remove the control panel and carefully push it through the opening. Don't forget to unplug the Traeger, lift off the hopper and set aside. Unplug the red power cord and the ground wire. Remove the set screws that connect the auger to the housing. Remove the motor and the auger and then clean the housing again. Swap or clean the motor and then reinsert. Plug back into power. Turn on the panel and test it out. If everything works, just repeat the steps in reverse and you should be ready to smoke.